Welcome to our channel. If you want to upgrade your LinkedIn account to Business Premium or Sales Navigator for advanced networking and sales features, follow these instructions. Step 1. Log in to your LinkedIn account at linkedin.com with your current credentials. Step 2. Click on Premium in the top navigation bar to view all available subscription options. Step 3. Review LinkedIn Business Premium and Sales Navigator plans to understand their different features and benefits. Step 4. Business Premium offers features like unlimited people browsing and applicant insights, while Sales Navigator provides advanced lead and company search capabilities. Step 5. Select the plan you want by clicking Try for Free or Select on either Business Premium or Sales Navigator. Step 6. If you currently have a different premium subscription, LinkedIn will guide you through switching plans. Step 7. Enter or confirm your payment information for the new subscription level. Step 8. Review the pricing difference and any applicable trial period for your new plan. Step 9. Confirm the upgrade to complete your subscription change. Your new premium features will be activated immediately, and you'll be able to access advanced search, in-mail, and other business-focused tools. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.